Thank you for joining me on exercise 1B. I'm looking at question 10B. Find the value of each of the following sums, and we've got a sigma notation, which means the sum of, and we're going to let the first R value be 1, and this is all the way up to the value 100. Let's put that in there. And the general term for each term is 7 minus 8r. Well, this is, if you substitute 1, this is 7 minus 8 times 1. That's the first term. The second term is 7 minus 8 times 2. And we're going to, well, not multiply, we're going to add all of these terms up to 7 minus 8 times 100, which is the value above the sigma notation. So this is the last R, this is the first R, and we add up all of these terms, and that's what the sigma represents, the sum of. So that's the sigma, is when you add all of those terms. Well, what have we got? The first term is 7 minus 8, which is negative 1. The second term is 7 minus 16, which is negative 9. And we're going to go all the way up to 7 minus 800. So that is 793 negative, I think. Looks right. Okay, 7 minus 800, 800 minus 7, yes, okay. Well, the first term is negative 1. The nth term is negative 793. D is, if you look at the common difference, and I'm just going to take the second term, subtract the first term, and you can see it's going to be negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8. And that's the mystery number here, which says they're going down by 8 every time. It's like the negative 8 times table, 7 greater than, and that's so they go down by 8 each time. Well, let's use the formula for the sum of n terms is half of, and we could use the first term plus the last term. There is a formula that we're not going to use in this question, and it is n over 2, 2 times the first term, n minus 1 times d, and we're not going to use that formula. So let's substitute. N is 100, because you can see that if you start at 1, you finish at 100, there is 100 terms. So 100 over 2. The first term is negative 1, and the last term is negative 793. That becomes 50 times negative 794. Now I didn't change that to 50 simply because I'm going to times it by 100 first and then halve it. So negative 79,400 divided by 2, and so 2 into 7 is 3, remainder 1, so that's 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14, and we've got our final sum. They will add up to negative 39,700. Wow, I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.